Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth cutting on Infinix Note Edge. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. Click on app list. After click on app list, search Bluetooth from here. Click on Bluetooth. For example, click on storage and cache and clear cache Bluetooth. After clear cache Bluetooth, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth cutting on Infinix Note Edge. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.